Good PM. Today is October 14, 2023, Saturday, and here are the 3 PM STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Suerte 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, October 14, 2023. Here are the STL Suerte 3 PM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Saturday, October 14, 2023. Here are the STL Swear 3 PM result for Cebu City under LTS Advance Incorporated for October 14, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for afternoon of October 14, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.